Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be doing the updated video on my smoke alarm collection, and I've also got an announcement. So with the Firex AGs, I'll be getting those in a few weeks. So my grandmother said she's going to get them replaced in about, probably not next week, but the week after, so I'll probably have them about 4 or 5 weeks, I would say. And they may even be sooner than that, because my grandmother is gonna have them shipped over here, so that way they'll be all mine. So I'm gonna show you what one of them looks like, because I have one of them says my phone wallpaper or iPad wallpaper. As you can see, there it is. Focus camera, there we go. See, yep, there it is. It's kind of yellowed. I'm hoping that they still work. So, yeah, because the horns on those are known to fail. So, let's get started with the smoke alarm testing. So, as you can see, I've got 2 new additions, the I9030 and the PI2010. So yeah, let's get started with the testing. We're gonna go in brand-wise order. So first off, we're gonna start with First Alert BRK. Here's the older SA304. And here's the newer SA304. And then here's the BRK4120B. Here's the First Alert. Here's the First Alert SA68. Here's the First Alert 83R. And then here's the Family Guard FG200. I believe this one is. We'll get to the carbon monoxide alarms at the end. So now we're gonna go with Kidde Firex. Here's the I9050. My bad. I forgot the police manual alarm. Now we're gonna start with the brand Kidde Firex. My bad, I forgot to add that one. Yeah. It's funny how people call them police manual alarms. Now, so first off with Kidde, here's the I9050. Here's the PI2010. Here's the battery operated version of the PI 2010. Here's the I9030. Here's the KNCOPE-IC. Here's the let's see. Here's the I12060A. Here's the Firex hardwired alarm. Here's the I9040. Here's the I4618. And then I think we did all of these, the Kiddes. Now we're gonna go into carbon monoxide. So here's the explosive gas alarm, the Nighthawk series. Here's the I forget the model of this one. Here's the tamper-free plug-and-play alarm. Here's the first to work plug and play. Hold on, let me get the step ladder out. Alright, let me turn off the ceiling fan so it doesn't bunk me in the head. Because I really don't want to go to the hospital due to that. That would be bad. So, let's, test this one. Yeah, it doesn't work, sadly. I wish it did. And then here's some other one. Here's the burglar alarm collection, the only two items I have. The SS36 and then the Power Series. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of my new updates and the alarm collection. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.